Meaning of Greenwich.
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 Greenwich. Greenwich is a district of southeast London, England, best known for giving its name to the Greenwich meridian, 0 degrees longitude, and Greenwich Mean Time. The name Greenwich is derived from the Old English words green and wic, meaning green village, suggesting that it was once a rural hamlet. Today, Greenwich is a popular tourist destination with several historical sites such as the Royal Observatory, Greenwich Park, the Cutty Sark, and the National Maritime Museum. It also has a thriving arts and culture scene, and is home to several universities and colleges.